Hello everyone, Storm 101 here. Today we'll be taking a look into Tropical Storm Isaias here. We won't be talking much about the disturbances, there's not much of anything has been changed, so really today we're only going to be talking about Isaias. Um, we're expecting this to become a hurricane to sometime today, and it also will make landfall today as well. So Isaias right now is has winds of 70 miles per hour. uh, Pressure is at 998 millibars. It's not that below of a pressure, although it is starting to pick up speed, moving north at 13 miles per hour, and we expect that for the speed to increase. Good news is this is not going to be a slow system. It'll be kind of around most of these areas just for one day, so there's some good news there. At least it won't be around for multiple days, and that's something we don't really want to see there. But let's take a look into the latest cone forecast here. And as you can see here, we have tropical storm warnings anywhere from the east coast of Georgia all the way up to the east coast of New Hampshire. Yeah, that's tropical storm warnings in the blue. In the yellow, that's a tropical storm watch for the entire east coast of Maine. We also have hurricane warnings in effect for places like Myrtle Beach in Wilmington there as well. That's where we can see the worst of the impacts from this system here, which the primary threat will be storm surge, strong winds, and also a lot of rain. And this is what it looks like right now. We're starting to get some new convection to try to come up here. Um, the center of the low is like right in there for right now. And on radar last night, trying to get a close eye. I don't think there's not really an eye there now. So you can see Myrtle Beach is right there. And you also got Wilmington over there. Charleston is somewhere over here. So that's where it's going to be making landfall, somewhere in this area in here. And storm surge is going to be an issue, especially for like Myrtle Beach and Wilmington. Really, anywhere from Cape Fear down to South Sente River, we can see storm surge 3 to 5 feet. That's where we're forecasted the highest for the storm surge to be. And we have storm surge that could be 2 to 4 feet, anywhere from Edestio Beach to South Sente River. Another area for 2 to 4 feet storm surge would be anywhere from Cape Fear all the way up to the North Carolina Virginia border, even including the Albermate Sound, and also for the Palmake Sound. News and Pamlico rivers could also be up to 2 to 4 feet with storm surge. And then for the rest, anywhere from North Carolina, Virginia, all the way up to um, Martha's Vineyard. That's where we can see 1 to 3 feet, including the Bay areas as well, and the sounds there, even including the Long Island Sound as well. And also another area of 1 to 3 feet, storm surge will be anywhere from Altima Sound to Edestio Beach as well. So, but really, the area of main concern will be kind of around Myrtle Beach and some of the surrounding cities as well. It's where some of the worst impacts will be with this storm here. And heavy rainfall will be a big threat. This is the excessive rainfall outlook here. And the yellow is your slight risk, the green is the marginal risk, and then that red there, that's a moderate risk for excessive rainfall. You got it anywhere from like the Carolinas through Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, eastern Pennsylvania, a good chunk of New Jersey, and into pretty much the triple point of the borders of New York State, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey as well, kind of around there um, as well. That's where we can see some flooding issues. And here's the rainfall forecast here. And we're starting to see some oranges starting to show up. Seems like most of the rain is not looking to be where the worst of the impacts will be. It's actually looking to be down the road, kind of around Maryland area, pretty much there. where we can see 6 to 10 inches of rain. Now, I don't think it won't get as high as 10 inches of rain, but likely above 6 inches of rain for anybody that's going to be in the oranges here. And your dark green is 2 to 4 inches, and that's pretty widespread. Save it for the yellows, 4 to 6 inches is pretty widespread as well. So that's going to be a big concern from this system here is how much rain it's going to put down. The good news is, again, it's going to be moving fast, but it can still put down a lot of rain. Another issue from this system here is the tornado threat. Here, this is the SPC outlook for today. We got a slight risk for severe weather, anywhere from just north, uh, just north of Charleston up to near Virginia Beach. You also got that marginal risk anywhere from Charleston all the way up into Philadelphia there along the East Coast. Tornado threat is your primary threat. Damage winds is also possible there as well. Here's day 2. Got another marginal risk anywhere from Wilmington, North Carolina, all the way up to, I'm guessing that's Springfield there in Massachusetts there, kind of on the East Coast there. Main threat would be the tornado threat, also for some damage and winds. And this is one of the soundings here. Now, this is in North Carolina here, just northeast of Wilmington. And this is when it's at peak strength here. And you can see here, not a good looking sounding at all. And now ignore the PDS tornado icon there. I highly doubt we'll see PDS tornadoes out there from this system here. Although the environment is, and tropical systems are very well known of producing tornadoes. And that's definitely a threat there. And also for very strong winds as well with the system here. So we gotta keep alert on with tornado warnings and watches with the system here as well. So severe weather, flash flooding, strong winds. Really from the system here, I mean, it can cause a lot of problems. And if you're along the East Coast, you can get storm surge as well. So that's definitely something to watch there. You can see your low pressure, as of right now, it's just off the, well, that's actually a little off. But you can see your X is where your low pressure system is located, or your tropical system, the center of it, just like off the east coast of the Georgia-Florida state line. And here's the tracks here. No disagreement at all with the track here, pretty much. You can see here, pretty much straightforward track right here. Pretty much a direct hit, pretty much for Myrtle Beach, which is not good. And that's a popular tourism spot. It's also my favorite spot for tourism, for vacation there. So that's not good there. Here's the intensity guidance here, and we really do expect this becoming a hurricane. It does have time to do so, at least a weak hurricane, but it can still cause a lot of problems. This is the intensity forecast from the hurricane models. You can see here, only a few models bring it to Category 1 hurricane strength, and really the majority just keeping it in a strong tropical storm strength. But it really, again, either way, for a weak tropical storm or a strong I meant a weak hurricane and a strong tropical storm can do quite a bit of damage. That's the one a meteorologist mentioned about that, how much damage and fatalities it caused since 1950. I mean, billions of dollars damages. I think it was 1950. I don't know, but the fatality rate is over 1,000. So you can still get killed by Category 1 hurricanes. That's what one of the meteorologists mentioned about a week of hurricane is still kind of really a big deal with this here. And really, again, with that disturbance there, this here's the forecast is really still the same here. Still looking like it's going to be a fish storm at this point here. Still has a chance of becoming a tropical system, but we will see about that. But anyways, guys, this is all I can for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick Isaias update. If you guys would like this update, hit the like button. If you really do like my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notifications so you never miss an upload. If you got some questions about this, you put a comment section down below. I will answer your guys' questions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.